Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I will discuss about an app. So this app provides you an opportunity to earn money, and if you don't want to show your face, so this app gives you the opportunity without showing face. You can earn money by this app, and this app is trusted app. Many big creators are using this app. So guys, here you can upload news related audio and any tech related audio. You can upload your story. So if you have a good voice, so this app is for you. And guys, this app only support audio. You can't upload video on this app. So if you don't want to show your face, so this app is best for you. And guys, here today I'm talking about Khabri app. So guys, here in this video I will discuss about Khabri app. So here you will get a mini tutorial on YouTube about this app, but I'm making this app because I upload 3 and 4 videos, but here I got a listener 40 to 50 listener I got by these 3 videos. So here if you want to upload any kinds of audio in this app, so I can say here it will be gives you the advantage to grow your, because Khabri app help to makes your channel grow. And guys, this app is based for uploading audio. So guys, here you can work on Khabri app. So here I will show you how to use Khabri app and how you can earn money by Khabri app. And to use Khabri app, you can earn lots of money. So guys, here I will show you how you can earn that. So guys, first of all, Khabri app provides you 2 apps, and here I will go to my Play Store. So first of all, I will open the Play Store, and guys, they provide 2 apps. The first one is you can use that app as a user. That means, guys, suppose you are the user, so you can use this app only to listen audio. And if you want to work as a creator, so the Khabri app provides another app, that is Khabri Studio. So by this app you can upload your audio and you can earn money. So first of all, here I will download the only Khabri app, and after that I will download the Khabri Studio. So here I will download Khabri app. So here just you have to type, and I will provide the link on Khabri app, just a promotion. And now here I will install this app. So it will take a time to install, and after that I will show you how you can create an account on this Khabri app and how to earn money by this app. And this is trusted app, and many big creators are using this app, and they are uploading audio news related and story. So if you have a good voice, so you can upload story on this app, because if you upload story, so many people listen story by this app. I also upload some story, and I will provide the link on description, so you can go to description and check the link. So guys, it's taking a time to upload. So guys, download is completed, and now just it's opening for install, and now it's installed. And now just I will click the open button, or you can click the finish button here, and or you can open from here. So I will open this Khabri app, and now here you will get a this type of interface. And so here you can select the language. So now it's a default Hindi, so you can choose in English. So I will move to English. So just here is the check button, so just you have to be check this button here. And now this is moved to English, so I will move in English. And now here is the get started button, so I will click this get started button. And guys, this is very easy to use, and I will open this. And now here, which kind of categories you want to choose, you can choose the particular the selected category, like news, government job, knowledge, motivation. So if you want to listen news related audio, so you can choose news, or government job related updates, so you can choose this one, or knowledge, motivation. So you can choose. This app provide you the category, you can choose as per your choice. Otherwise you want to choose all the categories, so just you do one thing, just skip. And now here you will find different types of audio here. Okay, so you can do it as a user, you can listen this as a user. So here you can see. And guys, now just here you can see here this icon, and here you can choose any types of category. Okay, and now here is the settings, and now here you can see the option, that is create your channel on Khabri Studio app. So that means Khabri Studio app, here there you can create your channel and you can upload your own audio. So guys, here I will click this create your channel on Khabri Studio app. I will click this option. So here you can see the pop-up that is saying open Khabri Studio app and the documentation. So here I will just click yes button. So it will go take to me on this app store, and just I will install this app. And also you can install it from Play Store. You can search manually, and now it's installing. Okay guys, so installation is completed. So here you can click this open button, or otherwise you can choose it from here. So I will choose it from here. So in this app you can upload your own audio. So here you will get this type of interface. So how, first of all, you have to be login. So here is the login button. So just you have to be login by your numbers. So I will click this login button, and just here you will get your number pop up. So which number you want to choose from here. But if you don't want to choose number from here, so just click this blank window, and now here you can put manually your number. So I will put my number here, and I will click this send OTP button, and now the OTP automatically redirect here, and the app will be logged in. And here the messages comes this about this OTP, so I don't need it because it's automatically redirected. And now just close, and now here is the Khabri app. So I already opened my channel. I'm showing from begin for you, but I have already my channel. So if you open, then your channel will be created. And now just here I already uploaded my channel's you can say it logo, or you can say it banner. Here it's only one provide. So now if you want to change this one, so just here you will get a setting option. So just you have to go to setting option, and here is the my channel option. So just you have to be click this my channel option, and now you will get a edit option. So here you have to click edit option. So from here you can edit your channel. I already created my channel, so that's why I'm showing this edit option. So here you can see this option. So here is the edit option on the image. So if you click this edit option, so you can choose and change your image. So I will not, because I already have image. And now here you can select the category. So I already selected my category knowledge, but you can choose category in between 4 category. If you want to upload news related video, so you can choose, or sorry, not a video, audio. So you can choose news, government job, any kind of related audio if you want to upload. So you can choose from here, and then click done button. And from here you can set your channel name. And here status always be active. If you select status inactive, then it will be shown the inactive. You know what is the active and inactive, so you have to be select always active. And if you want to delete your channel, so just here is the delete button. And now how I will show how you can upload audio. And here is the before that I will show you, here is the my payment button. So if you are completed to receive payment, so then you click my payment, and now my you can see my wallet is 0 because I didn't complete the criteria. So my wallet is 0. Otherwise, if you completed, then here withdraw money, and you don't have to do anything if you completed your criteria. So Khabri apps staff will call you automatically, and they will provide your details, bank details, and they will pay you. And now if you don't have complete your criteria like me, so just you have to be upload audio, and you have to be complete criteria. And the criteria is just you have to be on 500 followers. So now you can see my followers is 7 followers, and I upload only 3 audio. You can see, so after uploading 3 audio, I got a 7 followers here, and 46 listeners. And the uploading and the earning criteria is, guys, just you have to be complete 500 followers. If you complete 500 followers once, so then you think so guys, then your monetization will be on, and then you can start earn money. And how you can earn money? So after completed 500 followers, then how much listen you are gaining. Suppose guys, if you are gaining 25,000 listeners, here you can see my listeners is 46. If you gain 25,000 listeners, so you will get 5,000 rupees. And if you gain 50,000 listeners, then you will earn 10,000 money. So here is the earning criteria. So part 25,000 listeners, you will get 5,000 money. So here is the earning criteria. That is very simple. And but for the monetization your channel, just you have to be complete 500 followers. This is the criteria. And now how you can upload audio, just here you can see the plus icon. So just you have to click this icon, and now it will be it will take a allow. Just you have to click this allow and back this one. And now from here you can record your audio. Just you have to click this record and then allow. So I will not record any audio now here, but you can select allow option to record your audio from here, but I will not now. And just you, if you have a record already, so this will become here. You can see this box. So from here you have to be choose, otherwise open file manager, and from here files, and then you can choose your any audio, and then you will get a to attach your thumbnail or anything. So you, after opening this, you can understand by yourself. So I will not show you, and I don't want to long this video. But here I want to show you one thing. Suppose guys, if you are the new creator on this Khabri app, so this time you will take a time to monetize your channel, because you have to be complete 500 followers. But this Khabri app provides you the another opportunity to earn after opening your channel. So that is, here you can see the option, that is gig. So you have to be click this gig option, and now here you will find the different types of contest. So guys, here it's taking a time to load. After loading, you will find a different type of contest in gig. So just you have to participate on this contest, and if you win, so then you will get a money. So guys, here it's taking a time to load gig. So I will not open, but you can try it and open it. But here it's taking time. And guys, here you can see the main contest, it's showing here. So geek always provide you the main contest weekly basis, so it provides you the more money. And another little contest you can get in geek option, and the main contest you will get your in the window of your channel. So here the main contest you can see side effects of corona illness and treatment. So just you have to be participate this contest. So how you can participate? Just you have to make a audio about this topic, side effects of corona and illness and treatment. So you have to make a audio on this topic, and just you have to be click this participate now after making this audio. And just you have to be click on this create content button, and from here just open file manager, or otherwise you will get a recorded audio in here also. And if you didn't get the recorded audio here, so just you click open file manager option, and then you can upload audio same way. And after that you will participate it already on this contest, and you, if you win, so then you can earn this 1,000 money. And guys, you can win easily, because here 20 to 24 people participate in this in the contest. So guys, if you make a good audio, so you can own easily. So that's why you can use this app. Hope guys this video is interested, and if you find this app is help for you and this video is help for you, so guys you can like this video and subscribe and press the notification to get more update.